Hi, I'm Daniel Littell. Today we're going to demonstrate how to enable the auto start and auto start with climate control features on the Peterbilt 579 and discuss some of its great fuel saving benefits. First of all, what is auto start? Auto start is a great fuel saving feature. In climate control mode, it will start the truck up and heat it up or cool down the interior of the cab to your desired temperature. Whenever that temperature is met, it will shut the truck off, conserving fuel in the process, and only start up when the temperature gets outside of that range. When climate control is not needed, or if it's a feature that's not enabled on your truck, the auto start system will monitor the truck's battery voltage. This is a great feature used in conjunction with the fuel-fired S-bar heater in the winter months. It will sense whenever the voltage is down, automatically start the truck up, charge the batteries to an optimal level, and then shut the truck off again. Now let's get into how to set the auto start. First up, we need to make sure that the hood is closed and latched. Both doors must be closed. The parking brake must be set. The transmission must be in neutral. The ignition switch must be in the off position. To enable, push and hold the auto start button for 3 seconds. There will be a countdown timer on the dash to help with this. One thing to note, if you plan to open the truck door, it is recommended to turn the auto start feature off, then turn it back on when you re-enter the cab. If this is not done before the truck automatically starts, it will blare the horn, waking up everyone at the truck stop. For battery monitoring, you're all set at this point. For climate control, let's go set the temperature in the bump. On the display, push and hold the power button for 3 seconds, then let go. The display will light up. Then you can set the thermostat to the desired temperature. And that's it.
For more maintenance tips like these, our product offerings, or lease options, check us out at tel360.com or give us a call at 423-214-3910.